Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to look at our Noo Noo toy collection. And it looks like Kitty has already joined us for our video. Hi Kitty. Everybody say hello. We have many different Noo Noo toys. Can you count along with me? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 different Noo Noos. In the old Teletubbies, Nunu was blue. In the new Teletubbies, Nunu is orange, pink, and gold. So our first Nunu is sort of a puzzle piece of some sort. It's flat and it's very old. It has some stains on it. It has a slot in the top, and I'm not sure what it belongs to. We've arranged the other blue Nunus from biggest to smallest. The biggest Nunu is a Mega Bloks Nunu. He has a hole in the bottom, and the Mega Bloks pieces can fit underneath. The Mega Bloks Nunu is quite old, and it's from 1998. The next blue Nunu is a very hard plastic, and it belongs to one of our Teletubby sets. It's old as well, but it's a little newer than the other one, and it's from 2004. He has crooked eyes. One looks bigger than the other, and Kitty just had a big stretch. This little Nunu is the push and go Nunu. As you move him along the ground, his hose moves back and forth, and the top of him spins. One of the wheels is broken, so this Nunu doesn't work very well. Kitty came back. Hello, Kitty. The smallest little Nunu has wheels as well, but he has no moving parts. Now it's time to look at our new Nunus. This one is our remote control. It's pink and orange and has an orange wheel to steer and move it. So let's turn them on. Here's our biggest Nunu. He has googly eyes. Oh, and Kitty sees the yellow string. She loves to play with string. Here, Kitty. On the side of this Nunu, you'll see each of the Teletubbies characters. They're puzzle pieces that fit into the side. The purple one is Tinky Winky. We have Dipsy, Lala, and finally, Bo. The back of this Nunu lights up. It has a pink bubble and inside is a little light. And on the other side is a shape sorter. There's all sorts of shapes and colors. And look what else. It's Tubby Custard. Ooh, what a mess. Nunu was just playing outside and got dirt all over the floor. Time to clean up the Tubby Custard, Nunu. A green hexagon, the red Po, the yellow star, the purple triangle, and the orange square. We have one more Nunu to show you, but he's attached to a Teletubby set. So let's move all of these Nunus out of the way. This Nunu is busy cleaning up the Tubby Custard that's splattered all over the floor. He sits beside the Tubby toaster. Well, thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.